Commercial agencies dealing with large fleets and driver's lists can save time by using Accordion Schedules. This feature will automatically fill marked schedule items into the schedule forms on output and automatically overflow, creating additional pages as needed. The key to using this feature is to begin the data entry in the program databases rather than on the form. These databases include vehicles, drivers, equipment, properties, and additional interests. You can find more information on these databases in separate tutorials. Most of the participating forms are schedule forms that are linked to only one database. While there are exceptions with forms such as the Business Auto section, which has 3 attached databases, the Accordion feature will only work for a single database, vehicles in this instance. Here I am on a customer with a small fleet of vehicles that I have entered into the vehicle database. I will go to the Accords window and add a vehicle schedule, selecting my current auto policy. You can see that this form allows for 5 vehicles, but this customer has 6 active vehicles. In the vehicle database, make sure that the active vehicles you wish to fill are marked, and close the vehicle database. From here, I need to choose an output option. I will choose to email the customer. This is where the Accordion option is presented. Choosing Yes will fill all marked vehicles and automatically overflow to additional forms. Choosing No will present the form how it appears on screen, with no vehicles filled in this particular case. You will find the same Accordion functionality in many of the auto ID cards and most schedule forms. So remember to add all schedule information to the applicable databases and to leave marked the active schedule items to make your form filling more efficient.